Today I will be showing you how to make a quick platformer game in Scratch. This is my first tutorial, and yeah. So first we will be adding in the code. So here, when this clicked, Control, then add in a forever loop, and then if, duplicate here, go to sensing, and if key, then we'll use arrows for now. And here, up arrow, right arrow, and left arrow, here we go. And here, normally you would do this, so we'll be doing this today. The jump is in a different loop. So here, let's put in the move blocks, move 10 steps, and then move negative 10 steps. Here we go. Next, we have to add the point in direction 90, and then point in direction negative 90 as Scratch does it. So now it will go upside down. All right, and then to stop it going upside down, you use this rotation style equals left and right. Okay, here we go. Now it goes this way, and it will not go upside down. If up arrow key pressed, you have to do this. Repeat 10, here, motion, and then change Y by 10 times. So it will go up 10 times. So let's drag this guy down here. All right, next we have to paint the sprite. Here we go. Let's make it green, and we'll name it ground. Here we go. Okay, and let's put this down here. Okay, so that is the ground, and here, sprite, we will put an if, then operators go to not, then sensing here, we will go to not touching here, and we'll change this out to not touching ground. Change Y by negative 10. So then if you go like this, it should work. Then you have your very own platformer game. Now, the thing will fly up, and to stop that, you have to add this if command here, and then go to sensing, and if touching ground, it will only do it. So now it will jump up and down, and you have your very own platformer game. And to make it better, you can also do stuff like this, and add in this there. Oops, sorry. Okay, now let's drag this here, click here, and now you can jump up as well. And you can also add stuff to go to the next level, and yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye. See you soon.